Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can add audio beat to match cut on InShot application. Alright guys, here I have imported some clips to my InShot application, and first of all I'm going to add audio. We can click on this music button, click on the music again, and I'm going to add music from my device. So I'm going to click on my music and I'm going to go with this one. Okay, and after that, if we want to add the audio beat, we just need to scroll all the way to the right until we find the beat option, this one. And we can add the beat manually. We just need to click on this plus button if we want to add the beat. So I'm going to demonstrate it to you how we can add the beat. We can play the audio like this, and we can add it one by one. Okay, and I'm just going to give you examples, so I don't want to do it until the rest of the video. And if you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on this icon to delete the beat, and I'm just going to use this one. We can click on this check mark, and we can click on this check mark again, and we have to adjust the cut with the audio beat. So I'm going to give you example. Place this parameter to the beat, and then we can click on the split, click on delete. Okay, like this. And you have to do it one by one until the rest of the video or the clip. Oops. Split and delete. Okay, and I think this is just for example, so I don't want to do it until the end. And then I'm just going to play the video to take a look at the result. And I guess that's how we can add beat to match cut on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.